Hello and welcome to this episode of the Toon Sketcher. In this episode I will be drawing a lightning cat from Tom and Jerry. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the nose, and I'm going to do the eyes after that because the snout is going to be connected straight to the eyes. So go ahead, I'm going to start with the nose here. There we go. And the right eye starts here and it comes up, connects right there. Left eye, I'm give him lighting his eyeballs. And fill these in, fill this in. To the right eyeball. There we go. And we'll do his snout. We'll start on the left side and then come down here. Over and connect her right there. The lightning is a little bit different than the other cats, some of the other cats, because the outside of his eyes, they have like a design that goes all the way and back down to his snout. So we'll start here. There we go. The mouth is right here. I'll give him a little detail around his eyes. There we go. Now the right side of his head, it's going to start around here, his cheek. And then it's going to come up. He's got hairs to his right ear. And he's going to have hairs in the middle, left ear, and then sort of the same thing all the way back down and connect it right around there. So we'll start right here. Make his hairs right there, and they'll come up into his ear, up to a point, come back down again, connect it right there. On the other side, come down right there, and we'll give him some hairs in the middle. There we go. And on the left side, give some hairs. We'll connect it right to his cheek right there. We'll do his left ear, his inner ear. There we go, looks not too bad. We'll give him his whiskers. We'll do his right side. He's got 3 long whiskers on each side. Left side. There we go. Lighting, I think he's so cool looking, in my opinion. I think. He's just different looking. Alright, so on the left side, his neck starts here and comes down. It's going to end right there because his hand, paw's right there. The right side of his neck's right here. And I'm going to go ahead. The shoulder will start right here. Come down through the whisker. Here's the elbow. Let's go ahead to the designs where his hand is. And we'll come back up here and into his underarm right there. And we'll do his left shoulder. Start there. Come down and around with his elbow. There's the design right here. We're going to do his hand. There we go. Do his right hand. Alright, so we'll do his back, or at this angle it's his back and it's his right side. So start here under his arm, we'll come down. And it's going to run right into his leg, to his ankle. Do that, there's just designs down there. Same thing with the left side, we'll start under his hand there. We'll go into his left leg, into his knee. His design. We're going to connect his left leg with his right leg. Then we'll give him his, let's connect this right here. I'm going to give him his left foot right here. And the right foot. There we go. Now we'll finish lighting off with his tail. And his tail is going to start right here and come up to his hand. His right hand. There we go. Up there. And we'll connect it right here on top of his right hand. And then we're going to bring this part up, this side up. It's right there and back down to his elbow. Round. There we go. Right to his elbow. There we go. So there is Lightning Cat from Tom and Jerry, and we're ready for some color. That's it, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and please send me your requests in the comments below. If you like this drawing, check out our ToonSketcher YouTube channel or go to www.thetoonsketcher.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.